So 2019 is 2 weeks away. How's your relationship doing? Is it strong enough to make it after the clock strikes midnight? Well, we're talking relationship.
Will it make it up to when the clock
Strikes midnight.
That we need to ask for.
Like, so if you go New Year's Eve and the relationship gone out elsewhere,
Use our slippers and
then the clock not strike. So we're coming with relationship resolutions to make it in time for the new year. I will say, is plenty of them. So when I read it, I said, Lord have mercy, if you have to go do so much something to save this relationship here, I might as well. Might as well go on, but
it might be things you were already doing, and we're
reinforcing
that you
Simone.
continue. So the first one is supposed to be a given.
Yeah.
Say thank you more.
Yes.
You
can never say thank you enough.
Don't take things for granted.
Yes. As Booker said, please too.
Yes, please and thank you.
Please, thank you.
Show appreciation, you know. Don't just make it look like you're giving, and somebody taking. And not appreciative.
Yeah, say thank you. It doesn't matter what it is, eh? Thank you. An effort was made.
Especially the small things. Especially the small things.
Do something exciting together. Absolutely.
Some things.
Man. Yes, man.
Pluralize it.
Yeah, man.
Make it fun.
Too boring, man. See on a yard, I watch the same thing over. Get out. Go to the beach. Go bungee jumping. Go zip lining. Go. Hey, it's them activity, them near that activity.
Bring people together.
Bring people together.
Yes.
Because you really find out in a crunch.
True.
If this man is going to stand by you.
I've been bungee jumping, and I dare say I rethought a lot of things in that space of time. So you're correct. It makes you come to a place of, you know.
If you are zip line and the man say,
decision and
him
indecision.
run left you.
All right, put that phone away. Lord Jesus. Oh, no. All right, hold on. Where you going, Sandra? You're going to schedule a time to chat.
Schedule a time to chat.
But
very
that could
important.
help too. If you put the phone away, it will help and give you that time to talk.
Yeah.
Please stop going to dinner, and the two of you are at the table, and the two of you are looking at your phones.
But scheduling the time, scheduling the time is important.
Absolutely.
Because if you don't schedule the time,
you won't find
you can easily overlook that time to chat. And to chat don't mean, hey, sup. You're good?
To catch up on what's going on.
And you say, but at 3 times I talk to you for the day. Hey, sup. Sup is not a conversation. So if it means before we go working in the morning, not true.
Yes.
See me?
Yes. Sometimes, but make it meaningful. Yeah. I mean, what's going on? Everything is okay. You don't want a week or 2 weeks to pass and you're just hearing about something that was material and you're like, oh my God, how did I miss that? Because you guys weren't talking, at least not to each other.
So if it's once a week, you say, over Sunday dinner, we're going to eat and have a good conversation about what happened during the week, or if is it once a day, something. It's important.
Catch up, man.
It's important. Communication is important. So
is laughing together more. Couple who laughs together, they say, stays together.
Truths.
Yeah.
Truths.
So.
Truths.
No, Marvin? No. Marvin is laughing.
Marvin is never laughing, though.
Not with, but at.
He's never. Marvin is miserable. I just rub off on everybody.
Oh, gosh.
So, crack more jokes. Bring out your inner child. Do something. It's true, man. Don't be afraid to be silly.
I love this one. Learn to apologize. Very important.
Well, I wonder if Sandra go down this list, this 26 list of things. Oh, great.
No.
Do positive things for your partner every day. Learn to apologize, Simone says.
I think that's important.
Don't let things grow into big things, little things. Don't make them grow into big things. Please don't. Avoid being passive-aggressive. Yeah, so you have an issue and then you get niggling. Make fewer assumptions. Important. Say, I love you more. Get on the same page about finance. Important.
Very important.
Especially this time of year, but I enter into brokenness. broke out of brokenness. Kiss like you mean it. Yes, Benji, give yes a go. Learn to forgive. I don't like this one. Vent to your girlfriends more. Nope.
Yeah, that one is...
Nope.
Debatable.
Nope, you mash up your relationship,
Debatable.
you do that. Don't, and work on a goal together.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, and be intentional, people. Be intentional about your choices. First time is a mistake, second time is a decision. Okay? All right, relationship resolutions to make in time for the new year. Take a break. That's it for Girl Talk.